How to control who can comment on your TikTok videos. You can easily manage who is allowed to comment on your videos. First, open TikTok on your iPhone or Android device. Tap on Profile in the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu at the top right. Now go to Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down and select Comments. Here, you will see options that allow comments from tapping on it to control who can comment on your videos, such as everyone, friends, or no one. But here on my device, no one option is not available. Choose the option that fits your preference. If you select everyone, then all the people can comment on your video. If you choose friends, only people you follow back will be able to comment. Once you set it, the changes are saved automatically and will apply to your future videos. And that's it. You've successfully controlled who can comment on your TikTok videos. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok privacy tips and how-to guides.